Okay, so in activity 3, what we're going to be trying to find out is what number belongs with this 100%, or what number represents the whole. So our first question is 24 is 33 1/3% of what number? Now 33 1/3% we know is equal to 1/3 of the amount. So we will divide our bar here up into 1/3. And we'll know that this first 1/3 is worth 24. And so the next one is also worth 24. So altogether we'll have 48. And this next one is also worth 24. So in total we'll have 72. So 24 is 33 1/3% of 72. So work with the models to answer the next questions through E. And I'll set up the first one here for you so that the next time we're looking for 25%, which we know is worth 1/4. And this first amount will be 13, and you're looking for the 100%. Pause the video now. Okay, so we're back in the same spot. We've got 13 here. So we know that the 50% is worth 13 more, which would be 26. And the next one will be worth 13 more, which will be, what will that be? 36, 13 is 9, 39. And this last one will be 52. So 13 is 25% of 52. All right, so for the next one, 20%, we know that 20% is equal to 1/5. And so we will know that this is 110. 20% of what number is 110? So that's 110. This is 220. This is 330. 440. Each time we have 110%, and the whole will be 550. So if 20% is 110, 100% will be 550. The next one has us look at 75%. So 75% will be easy to find from 1/4, because you'll see that that falls on the number here. So 75 would go here. I've got 1, 2, 3. So I have to take that 75 and divide it by 3. So that'll be 25. This will be 50. And this will be 100, which makes sense that 75% of 100 would be 75. And for our last one, we've got 45. So that one is a little bit harder because it doesn't come out even. We can't get that right on the number bar. So we will go with this is roughly, this will be, if this is 18 and this is 180, we know that each one is worth 18, and 45% would be 81. So the answer is 180. All right, so now we're going to look at a different way of solving these kinds of questions, because you could see how that last one was very tricky, and it's called the percent proportion. So we'll look at dividing these up into the percentages and then working our way up. So in this first one here, we'll have 6 out of 100. That is equal to 6/10. So you could put that as, I'm sorry, 0.6 out of 10. And then that could level up. This is not, I think we'll stop the video here.